Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Auto English. How are you today? I am your host, Stella, and I am so excited to welcome you to day 2 of our 7-day Fluency Blueprint. First of all, congratulations on making it to day 2. Showing up for the second day proves that you are genuinely serious about transforming your English. Yesterday, on day 1, we unlocked the secret heartbeat of English, natural rhythm. We learned how to stretch out the important content words and compress those tiny structure words. But today, we are taking a massive step forward. We are going to talk about a topic that separates textbook English from real, natural, conversational English. Today is all about connected speech, how words link together like a train. Have you ever watched a movie or listened to a native speaker and thought, why are they speaking so fast? I know all of these vocabulary words on paper, but when they talk, it just sounds like one giant, messy word. If you have felt that way, don't worry. You are completely normal. The reason you can't understand them isn't because they're running a race with their words. It's because native speakers do not pronounce words individually. We don't say word A, pause, word B, pause, word C. No, we connect them. We slide the end of one word directly into the beginning of the next word. It's like cars on a train. They're all linked together to make one smooth movement. And once you learn how these links work, your listening skills will instantly double, and your speaking will sound incredibly smooth. So, why do native speakers do this? Is it just because we are lazy? Well, honestly, yes. Connected speech exists purely for efficiency. It takes too much physical effort for your mouth to stop and start between every single word. Think about a car driving down a road. If the car has to come to a complete stop at every single meter and then accelerate again, it wastes a lot of energy and the ride feels very bumpy. But if the car just glides smoothly through the curves, the ride is beautiful. Connected speech is the glide. Let's look at a classic example that almost every English learner stumbles over, the phrase, check it out. If you read this like a textbook, you say 3 distinct words, check it out. But if you say it that way in a real conversation, it sounds stiff, robotic, and a little awkward. When a native speaker says it, something magical happens. The k sound at the end of check slides over to the vowel I in it, making it sound like check it. Then the t sound at the end of it slides over to the vowel O in out. In American and natural casual English, that t even softens into a quick d sound, so the entire phrase becomes check it out. Listen to the difference. Textbook, check it out. Connected, check it out. See? It's not actually faster speech. It's just connected speech. You aren't changing the words, you're just erasing the empty spaces between them. Now, let's break down the most common rule of connected speech so you can start using it today. Welcome to our learning section. The absolute most important rule to master as a beginner is called consonant-to-vowel linking. Here's the rule. When word A ends in a consonant sound and word B begins with a vowel sound, you must slide that consonant sound over as if it belongs to word B. Let's look at another very common phrase, an apple. An ends with the consonant sound N. Apple begins with the vowel sound A. Instead of saying an apple, we link them together to sound like an apple. It almost sounds like a brand new word, napple. Let's try another one together right now. I want you to repeat after me out loud at home. Don't be shy. The phrase is, hold on. Hold ends in the consonant sound D. On begins with the vowel sound O. Instead of hold on, link the D directly to the O. Say it with me. Hold on. Again, hold on. Perfect. Let's try one more paragraph piece. Read a book. Link the D in read to the A. It becomes read a book. Let's practice. Read a book. Can you feel how much less energy your mouth uses when you link those sounds? It cuts down the effort in half. This is exactly how you stop sounding like a textbook robot and start sounding like you are naturally thinking in English. Now it is time for today's interactive challenge. I want to see if you can find the link yourself. Look at this phrase, turn off the lights. Listen to how I say it naturally. Turn off the lights. I want you to head down to the comment section right now and type out the 2 words that are linking together in this sentence. Which consonant sound is sliding into which vowel sound? Take a guess. Don't worry about getting it wrong. This comment section is our safe training ground. I will personally read through your answers and reply to help you fix any mistakes. And if you want to keep this 7-day blueprint going strong, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Speak Auto English. Your support keeps these daily lessons free for everyone around the world. We have officially wrapped up day 2. Today, you learned how to connect your words like a train, making your spoken English glide smoothly instead of bumping along word by word. Tomorrow is day 3, and it is going to be a very brave and exciting day. We are going to talk about facing your voice honestly by doing your very first audio recording and how to analyze your own speech safely without feeling embarrassed. It's a huge milestone for fluency, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's drop. Thank you for practicing with me today. Again, I am your host, Stella. Keep connecting your words, and goodbye, everyone.